Outsourcing HR can be a game changer for your business, but how do you do it without losing control? In this video, I'll show you how to outsource HR effectively while keeping your finger on the pulse of everything that's happening in your company. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a powerful tool that can make this process smoother and more efficient. Plus, you'll get an exclusive free trial if you follow the link in the description. So, first things first. Outsourcing. HR doesn't mean handing over all control to someone else. In fact, the key to maintaining control lies in clearly defining your expectations and finding the right partner. You want to work with a firm or software that aligns with your company's values and understands your unique needs. Start by identifying the HR functions that need outsourcing. Do you need help with payroll, recruitment, compliance, or employee training? Pinpointing exactly what you need will help you find a provider that specializes in those areas. The more specific you are, the better the outcome. Next, make sure your outsourcing partner has systems in place for transparency. This means real-time access to HR data, detailed reports, and clear communication channels. Whether you're using an HR outsourcing firm or a software tool, make sure you can easily track progress and get instant updates whenever you need them. Control comes from being able to see exactly what's going on and making informed decisions. Now, don't forget to set expectations early. A detailed service agreement is crucial. It should outline the exact scope of work, deadlines, communication protocols, and key performance indicators, KPIs. The clearer you are on expectations, the less room there is for confusion down the line. This is how you ensure that the outsourcing process stays aligned with your vision. But here's a big tip. Use software that integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. Whether it's for payroll, benefits management, or performance tracking, having a system that syncs up with your current infrastructure can save time and reduce errors. It also helps you stay in control because you'll have all your data in one place. I've tested some of the most popular HR outsourcing solutions, and the software we'll be using in this tutorial is a standout. This software helps streamline HR tasks, improves collaboration, and provides you with complete visibility over every aspect of your HR management. If you want to follow along with this process, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel. To ensure success, don't just set it and forget it. Outsourcing HR doesn't mean you can stop paying attention. Schedule regular check-ins with your outsourcing partner or HR software to review progress, address any concerns, and make adjustments as needed. This keeps you in control and ensures everything runs smoothly. So, what's the key takeaway here? Outsourcing HR can be a massive time saver for your business, but it's essential to maintain control by defining your needs, setting clear expectations, choosing the right software, and staying involved with regular reviews. Let's quickly recap. 1. Identify which HR tasks you need outsourced. 2. Choose a partner or software that aligns with your needs and offers transparency. 3. Set clear expectations and track progress regularly. 4. Use software that integrates with your current systems for greater control. And don't forget, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the description below to see how this software can work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.